Hey you guys, what's up? My name is Lauren and this is my channel, Naturally Lori. So for today's video, my energy is kind of low regarding what this video is, but I want to say thank you so much for 400 subscribers. As you can tell, I have not really been posting much in this past month and a half, and as I'm sitting here thinking, I made this recording, where have I been video since I'm sitting here? But yeah, I haven't been posting, so I didn't. My last video that I posted for my previous one was posted like a month and a half ago, so I haven't posted in a month and a half. So I'm surprised that I actually went past 400 subscribers, but I'm so super thankful. Thank you so much to my more recent subscribers for helping me make that 400 goal. All of my subscribers, thank you for helping me make that 400 goal. I may or I may not have a giveaway coming, but I think I might save a giveaway for when I hit 500 subscribers. So my next goal is 500. I want to have 500 by August, maybe, but it's not like a strict goal, you know what I mean? Like, I'm gonna just let the 500 come when it comes. But you know, I'm just, as of right now, I'm just thankful for having 400. So again, thank you so much for helping me reach 400 subscribers. If you're interested in this look, the hair, the makeup, I have videos coming on all of this, just letting you know, and the jewelry videos coming. One big thing I do want to talk about really quick, and as you can probably tell from when I'm uploading this video, I'm going to be trying a new schedule. I want to try Sundays, Wednesdays, and every other Fridays, because the YouTubers I watch post on Sundays and they get good views. So maybe if I post on Sunday, it's like give people an incentive to watch my stuff. I don't know, but I'm gonna try Sundays, Wednesdays, and every other Fridays just for a little while, just to see how it goes. Tuesday, Thursday, it wasn't nothing wrong with that particular schedule. Like, it worked well for me, but you know, I just want to try something different for the summer, so I'm going to try that schedule out. Wanted to let y'all know that. Also, follow my Instagram. I haven't been active on there as well, but I'm getting back into it. And on Instagram, I actually really enjoy creating reels. I did not see myself as a real person. It's just different. Social media is changing so much, like, and it's hard to stay up and keep up with these younger people. I say that like I'm not just 24, but it's hard to keep up with these kids who know how to do all this stuff. I don't know, but I like doing reels, and my algorithm sucks. Like, I think I'm being shadow banned because I was so inactive. And hopefully I'm not shadow banned on here when I post this, but I have talked a lot. I say all that to say thank you so much for 400 subscribers. I may or I may not have a giveaway coming at 500. Depends on how fast I reach it and what I want to do. We'll see. But yeah, that's it for this video. Be sure to give me a big thumbs up. Comment down below anything you want. Share this video with a friend. And finally, even though we reached 400, I want 500. So subscribe to my channel. Help me make that happen. And I want to see you in my next video. Bye.